What is revision hair transplant? What is bad transplant and how to correct it? Hi, I am Dr. Suneet Soni, a trained plastic surgeon with 15 years of experience, almost 8,000 plus surgeries already done. Now we should understand why a transplant get failed and what is a bad transplant which needs a correction. There are two important reasons of bad transplant or wrong transplant or unsatisfactory transplant. One is in the designing part, second is in coverage part. First, we should understand designing problems leading to bad transplants. The most common problem while designing a hair transplant I have seen is designing a hairline in a straight line look. Generally, when we do a straight line transplant with no widow's peak and not sufficiently deep frontotemporal recession, no temporal triangle, it looks like a wig or a patch or a fence or a boundary. Easily recognizable and people used to stare on your hairline. Second thing, when a hairline is more pluggy. Why a hairline is pluggy? Because many of the surgeons do double hair grafts implantation in first row. A double and triple hair grafts implantation in first or second row will give a bushy appearance like herbs or like doll's eye, which is easily detectable and it's not natural. Many of the times the angulation of hair is in 90 degrees. This 90-degree angulation gives a pole-like appearance or a straight line fence appearance with 90-degree poles, and it is easily identifiable, which is not a natural way of transplant. Finally, angulation of hair or the grafts. Many of the doctors give angulation in 90 degree, and this 90-degree angulation straight line with multiple hair grafts gives a artificial look. So, how to correct it? So, this is the patient who has undergone a transplant 5 years back, isn't it? You had a transplant 5 years back?
Yes.
At some other clinic with FUE technique, and the problem was again a bad transplant. What was bad? The designing was bad, isn't it?
Yes.
It was unnatural,
Unnatural.
easily identifiable, and you are not happy with the outcome. How I correct the design?
पुराना हेयरलाइन आपका यहाँ था, अपन यहाँ पे लाएंगे और उसको ऐसा ट्रायंगुलर बनाएंगे, थोड़ा शेप देंगे, है ना? ठीक है. और ये आपने जैसे बोला इधर ट्रायंगल ठीक करेंगे, साइड बनेगा ठीक करेंगे, इसको फिल करेंगे. इसी तरह इस तरफ का भी फिल करेंगे.
अब इनका हेयर लाइन इनको खराब क्यों लगता था ये जानते हैं. पहली चीज, ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन था. नॉर्मली एक एम पैटर्न होना चाहिए, जो अब मैंने चेंज किया है इसको विडोज पीक बना के. साइड में टेम्पोरल ट्राइंगल्स प्रॉपर होने चाहिए. पहले ये स्ट्रेट लाइन था, तो पहले जो स्ट्रेट लाइन लुक था वो प्रॉपर एम पैटर्न बन जाएगा जो रिवीजन कर रहे हैं उसमें. दूसरा, जो हेयर पहले लगे थे, डबल हेयर ग्राफ्ट लगे थे 90 डिग्रीज में, रिमूवल ऑफ द ग्राफ्ट विच वर अननेचुरली प्लेस्ड. I'll implant frontal hairline first 3 rows with single hair grafts. Then how I obtained these single hair grafts and why other people cannot obtain these single hair grafts? Because most of the people are doing only FUE technique, in which we have less number of single hair grafts available. That's why they implant more of double triples in front. I do a combination technique and a strip technique. In strip technique, we can actually make single hair grafts for hairline. That's how we microscopically divide hair into single hair grafts just for designing purpose of single frontal hairline as well as temporal triangle. So, while making the hairline, I'll make it M pattern, the frontal widow's peak, side temporal triangles, zigzag hairline pattern, single hair graft, and I will be very precise about angulations. The angulation of frontal hairline is around 20 to 30 degree, never 90 degree. How I can do all this? I am an artist myself and it's more of an artwork. I do drawing, painting, sculptures, and I am very possessive about designing hairline naturally. That's what I am doing passionately from last 15 years. If you observe my past record, these hairlines look perfectly natural. Have you reviewed my YouTube videos and Instagram?
Yes.
Does these past patients' hairline of mine look natural?
Absolutely.
Are they identifiable as a transplant?
No.
perfectly natural.
Perfectly natural, yeah.
So you need a good artist for a good hairline design, and that's where majority of centers are lacking. Majority of centers, in fact, doctors are not doing themselves the hairline. They are not proper artists, neither focused on hairline design, and at some places, in fact, doctors are not doing this work of designing, slit making, which I am doing right now.